Right, okay, so let me spotlight this for this week's card. So this is the card for this week.
Nice.
Lovely.
I don't know what it's called. Reverse flap. Anyway, so that's what I did. Kind of went a bit over the top with the gems there, but I thought lots of colour on there. We like that. Okay, so we're going to start with our coloured cardstock and a trimmer. Read everything here. So we're going to cut up our piece of coloured cardstock. You want that to be okay, you can cut it on the long side at 14.9. No, that can't be right. Don't start. Wondering what was going wrong. Okay, 10.5 on the short side, sorry. Hopefully no one's cut anything yet.
No.
Okay, so 10.5 on the short side of an A4 piece. Don't discard that other piece because you are going to use it. And then you want to cut it to be 22.5 centimetres on the long side. So it's 10.5 by 22.5. Okay?
Yeah.
And you're going to score that at 15 centimetres. That's kind of your base, or the start of your base. Okay, so the second piece, you want it to be 6 centimetres wide by 21 centimetres long. So 21 long, 6 centimetres wide. And you're going to score that on the long side at 10.5. Okay?
Yeah.
So you've got two pieces of coloured cardstock, one measuring 10.5 by 22.5, scored at 15, and one piece that is 6 by 21, scored at 10.5. So that's those two pieces, and you don't need any more coloured cardstock now. Okay, then we're going to go to white. Okay. Yep. So the first one we're going to cut is going to be 14.4 by 10. And that's the bit that will go on the back of your card. So the back of my card looks like that. Okay. Then we need a piece that is 5.5 by 10.
What was that, 5.5?
5.5 by 10. And that's the piece that will go inside that little card. Okay. And then you want a piece that is 3 by 8 or whatever size you really want to make it for your sentiment. So you should have 3 pieces of white cardstock, 10 by 14.4, 5.5 by 10, and 3 by 8. So that's those. And then we're going to cut the paper. Now, it's up to you what paper you want where, but we're going to cut 3 pieces, okay? The largest piece, which is on the inside of the card, is 10 by 14.5. And I've grabbed all this paper and I have no idea which bit I'm going to use.
Mm.
And I think I'm going to use, oh, I don't know.
Mm.
Yeah, 10 by 14 and a half, I said, didn't I?
Yeah.
10 by 14 and a half. So that's the bit that's going to go on the inside of your card. So effectively, it will go here.
Mm-hmm.
And say inside, yep.
Yep.
You need a piece that is going to go on this flap here, which is going to be 7 by 10. All right, hang on, let me just double check. Yep, 7 by 10, which is this piece. That's not going to be big enough. I'm just going to go stripes. So it's going to be 7 centimeters wide by 10 centimeters tall. And then the last piece you need is the piece that will go on this little mini card, which is what is it? 5.5 by 10, I think. Yeah, 5.5 by 10. 5.5. Nope. I'm just going to turn that over, I think. Okay, and you can, if you want, if you're not going to stamp and decorate the back here, then you can cut a 1.5 centimeters by 14.5 to put a strip of paper on there. That's really up to you. I'm going to do it anyway because I haven't decided yet. Okay, and that's all the cutting that we need to do. So if you bring back all your cardstock, the thin piece, the thin long piece, you're going to want the fold on the right hand side, just so you know. So this piece is then the outside of it. So you're going to attach your piece of cardstock to that, like so. Cool, someone's having a good time with their trimmer there.
Oh, that's me. It's a bit noisy, sorry.
Okay. You've got, it's a guillotine, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like my guillotine.
So, and then you're going to attach that large piece of patterned paper, as I said, to the inside of the card. Your third piece you're going to attach to that, the flap on the front of the main card base. going to cheat. I'm going to use this strip to do my back of my card.
That first piece of DSP,
Yes.
14.4 by 10.
This one, no, 14.5 by 10.
So it's the same size as the white. Oh no, the white piece is for the back, isn't it? Sorry. Yeah, just realised.
Did I say 40? Doesn't matter about the back. You can do it 14.4.
No, I was trying to put it onto the white piece, realising that actually, no, the white piece is for the back of the card.
Right. Okay. Yes. No.
I've got you.
It's just the inside of the card is just paper straight to the cardstock.
Cool.
That's the back. So I've still got left that small card. So you want to glue that. You want to make sure that the fold, the scored line, is on the right hand side. You want to glue it so that the back is glued to the center of that panel on the inside of the card, so that when that flap comes over, it holds it. So you want to make sure that this is center to this, or as close to it as you can get. Hold mine up so I can actually see. Don't know if it's level. Okay. So then all that you should have left is your 2 pieces of white cardstock. And maybe your back if you haven't decorated it yet. Yeah?
Yeah.
So the smaller piece of the white is your sentiment to go on the front of the card. The other piece is for you to decorate and put on the inside of that little card. And then obviously you've then got the white on the back to decorate it or however you want to do with it. And then people can write on that. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So I'm going to take this recording off for the time being, pause it so that we can do our own thing. Hi, so we're all back to share our cards, and Carol is going to go first. I'm going to spotlight her so we can. Oh, that's nice. Oh, very pretty.
I love that.
Side and a bit of DSP in the back.
That's lovely.
There you are.
And not an ounce of green inside.
Not a dot of it.
And it matches the
Rightly
light.
so.
Yeah.
It matches her light in the room.
That's lovely. Trisha?
So I've gone fuchsias.
Nice.
Oh, that's pretty.
Very pretty.
Oh, that's very pretty.
Oh,
And it's
cute.
very old DSP, Irresistibly Yours or something.
Oh, okay.
Which is
Nice.
ink blended because it's just white.
Yeah.
And
Look at
the
that now.
ink blend over it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Uh,
a nice little shimmer.
Oh, sweet.
Oh, nice.
Lovely.
and the
And
envelope.
the envelope.
Woof.
Oh, very nice.
That's very sweet.
Oh.
Very sweet.
Let's remove that. Angie?
Okay, I've done a black and white card, and I've
Oh,
just
that's
used
nice.
some DSP,
That's
which
different.
I've punched out some circles.
Oh,
Yeah,
lovely.
I haven't really stamped apart from that little tiny stamp there.
That's fine.
But I've just done some circles and
Yeah.
I just did some circles on the back too.
Yeah,
Yeah, those circles are rather nice, aren't they?
Yeah,
They are,
it's just
they're
out with
rather good.
DFT.
yeah.
Very
Yeah.
impressed that you managed to get the plaid lines continuous on the little card and the back of the bigger card. They match perfectly.
No. Yeah, they do, don't they?
Yeah.
That's
You-
pure fluke.
Yeah.
Realised it, didn't you?
That is pure fluke. Oh God, I can't believe you noticed that, Trish. That is a fluke. Yeah, they do match up.
Well, well done.
It was totally unintentional.
Right,
Got a really good
mine
outcome.
is it looks like this. So I've actually used the same sentiment,
Lovely.
but the inside
Lovely.
is different.
Very nice. Love those colours.
No.
Cute.
Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a cat, isn't it?
It's not.
No.
No, it's a
I
hamster.
think it's the hamster.
Oh,
I remember
it?
it coming out and there was a big discussion about it.
Yeah, because
Oh, okay.
the cat has got a flower pot.
Yeah. The cat is
Oh
so
yes. Yeah, got you. Yeah.
And then there's a beaver and a bird, I think. But yeah, so that was mine, and then I just cheated on the back
Nice.
and on the envelope. So that was that
Lovely.
one and that one. And I went a bit mad with the embellishments. We seem to have hundreds of them, so I thought I may as well use them up.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh,
Lovely.
So-
I quite like those embellishments.
Lovely.
They're rather different.
There you go. So
thank you very much.
that was this week's cards.
Lovely, lovely.
And we'll be back next week with another one, and then we've got card and a capper on Wednesday.
Wednesday. Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right then. So take care. See you Wednesday, if not Thursday.
Yep.